on that team. Well, it's in now. I didn't mean to go off man. You're 127. Up.
Hey, 127, you know, I have to always try to get up in that receiver. Sometimes I don't do too well, but every now and then I just pop up on top, just get lucky, you know what I mean? Old Mother Nature helps me out from time to time.
Damn right. Hey, man, you're doing good, man. You're taking out some of the local homos and the drug addicts here in New York. I am, man. Let me put the wave down around the sand pile. Let y'all guys do what you're doing. You're on the wall down Kirkland, Brooklyn, New York, CB Shop. The most talked about NBA man on and off the mic at the East Coast. Control of the backquad. And number 2.
Yeah, I just try to hold my own from time to time. That's all. Yeah, 127, man. You have a good weekend. Sounding good, man. We're running the gate right about now, and you're doing pretty good, man. We get back with you.
He didn't say sniffing. He said smoking the shit.
Roger, right on, man. I don't want you to think I'm disrespecting you by not saying who you are, man. I know who you are, but I don't want to put that unnecessary target on your back. You're 127.
He said.
Yeah, I don't need no targets on my back. Next thing you know, they'll be warming up all these big tubes and stuff, and I ain't got nothing like that. Little 120-volt plug in the wall. Hey, 127, take care. Your friend in Florida's gone.
Hey, man, they tripping over themselves and trying to get in my radio, man. You know that cat from the Big Money He Had Died playlist? The cat that was screaming all week in the video games? He was coming to Utica Clarkson at 3 o'clock today, man. He's trying to mask up all that shit, man. Went platinum from last Saturday's Real No Show to the present. I'm back quiet.
Yeah, it's a pretty sad situation. Yeah, it's messed up, man. Talk about a bunch of ear plugging. That's about all I could say, man. They plugging some ears. Hey, 127, take care. I'm back quiet.
Roger, right on, man. You got the Italian junkie with AIDS going crazy because I said to you that, you know, you don't have to identify yourself. I know who you are. I don't want you to feel like I'm disrespecting you by not putting your label on you or calling you who you are. I don't want to put a target on your back. And that's driving me homo crazy. Hey, man, you know who, and I'm back out.
Yeah, man, if you start giving out numbers and stuff, they start warming up tubes. Next thing you know, they'll be throwing it down, pointing them big old long antennas at you and stuff. Hey, 127, take care.
What a funny dude.